Hello, everybody. This is Matt Fick from Financial Life Planners, and this is your stock market update for March 3rd, 2026. I wanted to talk to you guys today about what's going on in Iran and how that has impacted the stock market. As I'm sure many of you are already aware, the United States on February 28th bombed Tehran and ended up killing the supreme leader of Iran, who has been in power since 1989. This comes after a disagreement in June of 2025, where the United States attacked an Iranian missile base because of some disagreements with Iran's nuclear programs. Specifically, there was an agreement signed in 2018 where Iran said they wouldn't have any weapons grade uranium and have seemed to have broken that contract. These events ended in a ceasefire that led up to where we are last week, where there was a meeting between Iran and the United States to rehash this. It obviously didn't go very well, which led to the events that happened on Saturday. There are a couple of reasons why the United States and Israel have said that they have planned this attack against Iran, but ultimately it seems that we found out today that this is going to last a little bit longer than initially had been expected, which is why the market is fairly volatile today. As we talk about often, the market likes certainty, and this uncertainty of what's going on in the Middle East increases volatility and has shown a down day today. On top of that, the Strait of Hormuz, which goes through Iran, has been closed down, which is also where 20% of the world's oil transfers through. That obviously increases the demand for oil, raising the prices and negatively impacting a lot of companies that use oil across the world, which has fairly strongly impacted the market today. This morning, it was down around 2%. Right now, it's closer to 1% overall. So where do we go from here? It's important to keep a level head about these world events and these big situations, and not make any knee-jerk reactions, especially when it comes to trading in the stock market. Right now, a lot of you are sitting on a large cash position that we raised at the beginning of last month because of some volatility we had at the beginning of the year, and can expect to continue to sit on that cash position until we feel it makes sense to reinvest it back into the market. Historically, events like this haven't impacted the market for a long term, but prolonged uncertainty can. And all we can do right now is keep a level head and trade the chart that is in front of us. And that's what we'll continue to do in your portfolios. That is all I have for you today. As always, feel free to reach out to us by phone or email if you have any questions, and we will talk to you next week. Bye bye.